In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Notion. Keeping a backup of your Notion workspace is essential for safeguarding your notes, databases, and projects. Whether you want to store a full copy of your content, recover accidentally deleted pages, or just export specific tables, Notion provides several easy ways to make sure your data is secure and accessible. To begin, the first method is creating a full backup of your entire account. Start by clicking on the Settings icon, located at the bottom left of your workspace. Once you're in the Settings menu, click the gear icon again to access the general settings. Scroll down until you find the Export option. Clicking this allows you to export your entire workspace for safekeeping. While Notion automatically keeps your data in the cloud, exporting gives you an offline copy that you can store safely. If you are on the Business or Enterprise plan, you also have the option to export the entire workspace as a PDF. For most users, selecting the Markdown and CSV format works well. After choosing your preferred format, click Export. Notion will notify you that a download link will be sent to your email, and keep in mind that this link will expire after 7 days. Make sure to download the file promptly and store it in a secure location. If creating a full backup feels excessive, there is a simpler method for recovering specific deleted items. Navigate to the Trash section in your workspace. Here you will see pages or tables that have been deleted. Click the Restore button to recover any content you need. It's important to note that items in the trash are automatically deleted after 30 days, so timely recovery is crucial. Finally, if you only need to back up a specific table or page, Notion makes this process quick and easy. Open the page or table you want to save. Click the three-dot menu at the top right corner and select Export. You can choose from CSV, PDF, or HTML format, depending on your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Export, and Notion will generate a file ready to download and save. By using these methods, you can ensure that your Notion data is protected and easy to recover whenever you need it. Whether you prefer a full backup, restoring items from trash, or exporting individual pages, Notion gives you flexible options to keep your content safe. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.